So if you're thinking of getting this tiny kind of micro tripod for whatever you want to use it for, action cameras, vlogging, then this is my honest opinion and my honest review. I've had this for about a year, and to be honest, it's one of my favorite tripods because it's the most simple. As you can see, there's no wasted space, there's no fluff, it's so lightweight, but also so high quality that it's just, for me, it's just perfect. And then you can also hold it, when you fold it down, it just snaps together like this, and you can use this to hold the camera like this if you want to vlog. Has this standard 3/4 inch screw mount for most cameras, and it's just perfect. What I also love about it is that it goes so flat, so that when you put this on the ground, the camera is essentially like it's just flat on the ground, which I love because if you're filming like shots of you walking away or shots where you need the camera to be really low down, this is ideal for that. There's no wasted space. It has these non-slip pads on the bottom, and it's high quality construction. As you can see, it's made of very sturdy plastic, and there's no wasted space. And like I said, what I also really love about this is it's just so lightweight. Like if you're looking for the lightest tripod you can take, I would say this is pretty close to the lightest one you could find. Like it weighs nothing practically. One thing to be aware of is that it's not adjustable in any way. So this is what you get. So, you can't adjust the height or the angle, and you can't tilt any angles or anything like that. So if you want something more adjustable, then this is maybe not the best for you. But if you don't care about that and you just want something where you can just chuck the camera down, especially action cameras where they have such a wide angle lens anyway, that you don't need to worry about angles and stuff, then this is the perfect tripod for you. I highly recommend it.